Hello. On today's video, we're going to be making hobo food. I've got my ground beef in a bowl. I got about a quarter cup of onions. We're going to put those in there. Now, I got all my seasonings here. I've got black pepper. I've got about a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, quarter teaspoon of paprika. My hamburger seasoning, I have a tablespoonful, quarter teaspoon of oregano, and a half a teaspoon of garlic. And we're going to put all that in there. Then we're going to start mixing it up. Just try to mix it all up really good. Now, if you don't like the seasonings I use, you can use any kind you want to. Now I'm going to make it into a couple of patties. Flatten it out a bit. Round it around. Put it right in the middle. Make another patty. Put that one right in the middle. Now, we're going to put in our potato. Ooh, I almost dropped them. Put in some potatoes. There we go. I'm going to put in some mushrooms. Then I'm going to put in some corn. And these is a very easy to make hobo food full meal. You got your potatoes, your meat, your corn, and your mushrooms. Now, we take the aluminum foil and we're going to cover it up. And we're going to cook it on 425 for 1 hour. So that's a quick meal, and we will show you what it looks like when it's done. We will be back. All right, now that our hobo food's done, we're going to take it out of the oven. As I said, it was cooking from 425 for 1 hour. Now, as you can see, it's tender. Just goes right through those potatoes. And that's done too. So now we're going to transfer it over here. Transfer our corn. Our potatoes. And our mushrooms. I didn't put too many mushrooms on it, but you can put as many as you want. And our mushrooms. Now that we've got everything in our plate, we've got our potatoes, our corn, our mushrooms, and our meat. So now we're going to take a little pepper. We'll put it on everything. Like us, we like a lot of salt and pepper. I use Himalayan salt. And then I take and put me some butter on my potatoes. Those that likes butter. A little bit on my corn. And there you have it. Quick, easy meal, all in one. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.